let's double check the Jupiter targets updates with my custom indicator set. And like you can see, guys, after almost 2 years, we landed to the best zone to buy on the Bybit. On Binance, it stopped at a little bit lower, because total different listing price. But take a look how the price respect the level till penny 10.98. So sometimes it's work like a magic. Initiation accumulation pump model, we track this model since listing on a Bybit in January 2024. So the good moment now we got an experience, and we can work with that model for the next cycle for all new coins which listed on exchanges, because we use initiation accumulation pump model. How to work with this model, highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So no rush after listing, and no matter what they show you on the Twitter, no matter what partnership or what some craziest upgrades revolution they trying to do with their token, sooner or later token will land back to one of these zones. So I think Jupiter will recover back. It's hard to say to hit new all-time high or not. At least I'm waiting the Jupiter at 77 and 83. Of course, it's just a local conservative price targets. Yes, it's not some crazy gains, but this is based on this model, and this model is still relevant until this token trade inside this FIB. So in validation of this idea, if the Jupiter will dump under 2 cents, so listing price on the Bybit, the fixation profit swing trades is going to be 77.64, 83.41. So what now? After the 2 years, we see only since October 2025, we see the take profit indicator data appear in the Jupiter chart, and we can see the weekly time frame. We saw underrated. Of course, I'm not recommended you to go all in, and rush to buy the Jupiter, because we trade under fair value. We can trade a long-term period out of fair value and even drop lower. So for me personally, it would be good to see the Jupiter test 1572. It's hard to imagine now why we should drop that low again, but it's possible to test this block like support. So in this case, yes, from 1572, it can be the good entry for speculation. For the middle value of this token, 35.89 on the weekly, 47.98 buy line test below. Take profit line 95.51 and exit line $1.07 for Jupiter on the weekly, daily. Now we also trade around fundamental value. So fundamental value it's 18.1009, and I will be not surprised if by end of December we're gonna drop to this block. Test 1572. In this area, maybe it makes sense to try open long position. So let's hide this global FIB and focus on, let's hide this arrow, focus on week. So highly recommend you also go and check the tutorial how to trade weeks like this one. So now we try hold a line at 0.5. So, but I think so we will not hold it. So the next step is going to be by today Thursday, so by end of Sunday, I guess we will see it at 1920. After that, the 1548 will be logical, so it's 78 level by FIB. Done. Let's double check us with other indicators, ADZ direction. So now we talk about a local one, local targets, local bounces, so about this zone. So range between 10 cents and 54. So we're not talking about a crazy targets for the alt season or something like this one. Talk about just an entry for December or maybe January. This is accumulation on the daily, everything looks good. This is accumulation on the weekly finally, so all this period was just a neutral, so no bullish signals. That's why one more reason, wait, no rush, and wait only when the indicator showing you a weekly time frame, especially it's for investment, for the spot position, and intraday you can trade with on the daily, on 4 time frame, 12 time frame. No signal for accumulation on direction. Kind of weird, but it is what it is. Take a look the market mode. Here, this capitulation is good, but monthly still euphoria. It's kind of bad. Because the big guys can dump the price even lower. I saw they post some good news, about the Jupiter. They introduced something, but I'm not sure it will affect the price, because of the The fundamental, the marketing, and the price, it's totally three different things. So the market movement on daily, of course, it's capitulation. And I think, yes, we will drop that low and rebound. Take a look at the last two indicators. It's some money power. Money inflow. Here, some money inflow was 4 days ago. We bounced it from 21.44 to 25 and reject. Now no money inflow yet. Weekly time frame, some money inflow, yes, I guess on a spot. Somebody accumulated on a Bybit, especially on a Bybit, because on Binance maybe there is no data for money power, so I highly recommend you double check. So money in was at 22 cents, so pretty good one. So it means, I guess, it's comfortable price for some big guys. Accumulate this stock and trade on. Money power working close. A trade on, no, nothing on weekly and the daily. Yes, we saw the take profit signal, so it's good. Now we step by step buy local bounces. But guys, I'm more about the drop to 1821 and the test 1542 around here. I'm gonna add alert, so around here. And also I would like to add alert take profit fundamental price line. I would like to see the notification when we're gonna drop to this level. 12 time frame, the buy line now it's 1971, fundamental value is 1465. So I don't think so we're gonna drop to fundamental value of this token, but yes, buy line and the test of the best zone to buy. Again, more than real to see. So guys, my idea explained to you, a local one. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video, how to work with initiation accumulation pump model, how to work with this indicator set. And if you'd like to trade it with this set, just write me DM. See you next time, guys.